Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out a VR accessory for your MetaQuest 3 headset. This is the Comfort Head Strap made by Uniplay. It retails for $35 on Amazon.com. I will link below where you can find that. In this one, we're going to unbox it. I will assemble it. I will try it on for you, and then I will give you my review of it in the end. It fits heads from 17 to 27 inches, so about 43 to 68 inches, suitable for youth, children, and adults, all alike. It's a great little comfort head strap. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open this up. Activate a warranty and get a free gift. Let's check that out later. Let's take out all of these pieces here. It also comes with the installation guide, which is good. I'm going to take a quick look through this to make sure that we know what we're doing. Okay, I laid it all out here. First, make sure you have left and left, right and right. The R is on the inside, L is on the inside, and then the outside of there. Make sure that those are together so you don't want to mix those ones up. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to take this the back part of the headband. We're going to extend out our side arms there to give us a little bit of room to work with. And it shows us starting, we're going to start with the left side here. And this is going to pop in right there on the outside. You can see that fitting in there on that outside piece. And then that same left side circle piece is going to be placed over top. And there was little tabs you can actually see on this one. There's little tabs there. Those went into the 4 little spaces here, and that's nice locked into place now. That's not, as they say when you tie something down, that's not going anywhere. So we're going to do the same thing on this right side if you missed it the first time. Now you're set. Now you can still adjust this as you would like. I'm going to bring it back a little bit there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to attach this smaller piece with the open end. So you can see it's going to go in like this, and then you just are going to push it through, and it locks into place as it rotates over a little bit. Now it's not coming out. We can do the same with the bottom. You can actually see right here the unlock and the lock symbols. So this is going to go in, and then we're going to twist that into the locking position there, and we're good. Now you can see that full back support is there ready to go. Now let's install sponge pads here. So this smaller sponge pad, this is going right on top here. And again, it's Velcro, so you can push it on. If you don't like how it was positioned, take it off and put it back on again. That feels nice and comfortable in there. Now we're going to take our bigger one, and I'm going to squeeze it a little bit tighter so I can start from the middle and work my way out to the outsides. Firm that all through in there, and you're good to go. It also comes with this top head strap here. So I'm going to take this non-rounded end, the squared off end. That's going to go through this little part here. And I'm not going to put it too far right now because I'd want to be able to adjust it later. And there we go. We've assembled the head strap as it is. Now we can move to installing this onto our Quest 3. Okay, so now to install this onto our actual headset. So here I have the strap already removed. If you haven't removed it, they just clip off. A little bit of pressure right there where it clips in, and then you can take off the facial interface There we go. Put that to the side for now. And then that top strap can easily be disconnected from there. So now to connect this, I'm going to do this top strap first. Put it underneath. It easily slides right through. I'm just going to Velcro it there for now because I want to adjust that later. You can then reattach your facial interface if you would like at this point. There we go. And now we just need to attach our side arms. So I usually start at the back and then work my way to the front. There we go. You could hear it clip in. Again, we'll start at the back, work. Make sure that's fitted in there nicely. There we go. There we go. That's in there now. And you're good to go. This can now be adjusted easily, as you can see, or brought in as well. So now I'm going to use it a little bit. I will try it on for you, show you how to adjust it when it's on your head, and give you my review of it. Okay, I've had a chance to use this one. Now I wanted to give you my review of it and also just try it on for you to show you how it looks like on. So you can easily adjust this out to make putting it on easier, and then twist that knob to tighten it up onto your face. Now at this point, if you feel like the top strap is too loose, you can easily undo this, tighten that to the right spot, so it's giving you proper support there as well. In the description, they compare this to wearing a hat, and to be honest, with the back here, how it's formed, it actually kind of does feel like a hat, very interestingly enough. So here's what it looks like on. And then to take it off easy enough, you can just loosen it with that same knob and just pop it off there. So in terms of design, our top strap here is just a strap. There's no padding or anything to it there. It is not super wide, but I don't feel like it really needs to be wide. Move into our back padding here. This is nice memory foam padding. The texture here is that texture that can easily be wiped, but then it also feels like there's little grooves in it, which makes it a bit more breathable than just a straight silicone padding or straight leather padding like some of the other ones are. So that padding is nice there, and I do like that there's padding top, middle, and bottom, so it gives you good support all the way around there. You can see that full support there. Knob is easy to turn and adjust on and off. Our arms come out here, and one little note, I know it's not a big thing, but I do appreciate when companies do this. You can see the little extra lip here. That makes it really easy to pop this off and clip back on. Instead of trying to pull on things down here, maybe you accidentally break something, that little extra clip there makes it really easy to take this off. So I do appreciate that part in there. In terms of price point, we're looking at $35 American, so closer to about $50 Canadian. For a comfort strap without a battery, this is right in that ballpark range where all the competition is right now. Is this one comfortable? Yes, it is. I'm going to put this on again and test one more thing for you. I play a lot of golf games, and when you're playing golf games, you're looking down at the ball a lot. And I've tested some head straps that don't keep things where they're supposed to be, and when I put my head down, things kind of shift. But I can tell you with this one, things don't shift, so when I look down, things are staying still, and you're not worrying about that. I also like to do kind of this test. A little bit of movement, but not bad. It's keeping things nice and secure and away from that motion there. So if you have any questions about this one, don't be afraid to leave a comment or send me a message. I'm more than happy to answer any of those questions. I will link below where you can find this on Amazon if you're interested in purchasing it. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so. I'll link that playlist below as well. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan, Artist.